Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install JMeter on your Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, what is JMeter? So JMeter is an open source software designed to load test and measure the performance of web applications. So let's see how we can install JMeter. So the prerequisite of installing JMeter is you need to have Java installed on your Ubuntu operating system. If you don't know how to check whether Java is installed, you can open your terminal, and in the terminal just write java space hyphen hyphen version command and you will see some kind of Java version here. If you don't see any version, that means Java is not installed on your Ubuntu operating system. Now, if you don't know how to install Java on your Ubuntu operating system, I will put the link of the video in which I have shown how to install Java. So you can watch that video and install Java. Once you have Java installed, let's move to the installation part of JMeter. So open your favorite browser and search for JMeter, and the first link which will appear here will be from jmeter.apache.org. So we are going to click on this link. Here you can see the various protocols which JMeter supports, and to download the JMeter you can click on this download releases option, and when you move down a little here you will see the binary section and you will see the source section. We are going to download the binaries for JMeter, and you have two options here. One is .zip file and other is .tgz file. So here I'm going to click on the first option, which is .tgz. So let me click on that and it's going to start the download of this Apache JMeter .tgz file. So once the download of this file is finished, we can once again open the terminal, and then we are going to cd into the downloads folder, and then we are going to just extract this tar file using the tar command. So just write tar space hyphen xvzf and then the name of the file. We have downloaded the Apache JMeter 5.6.3.tgz file, right? Just press enter here, which is going to extract this file in your downloads folder. Once the file is extracted, we can just give the ls command here, and you will see this Apache JMeter folder is extracted. So I can even go to the folder explorer here and then go to the downloads folder, and this is the folder we have extracted, right? Now it's recommended that you move this folder to some desired location. So let me clear the terminal and let's move it to the opt folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write this command. Remember, I'm still in my downloads folder, right? So I want to move this folder from my downloads folder to somewhere else where I don't delete it by mistake, right? So just give this command sudo mv and then the name of your folder, which is Apache JMeter and the version you have. And then I like to move this folder into the opt directory. So I'm going to just write opt and I want to move this in the JMeter directory. So I'm going to just write that and then press enter and give my Ubuntu's password, which I use to log into my Ubuntu operating system, and then press enter, and it's going to move it to the opt folder under JMeter folder. Once this is moved, I can cd into the opt folder. So let me just write cd /opt/jmeter, and then when I do ls here, you can see all the files are extracted from this directory in the JMeter directory, and you have all these files here, right? Now I will suggest one more thing here, and that is to set the environment variable path for the JMeter in our bash rc file. So for that, what I can do is I can first of all go to my home folder. So just write cd, and you can see I'm in my home folder. When I just write pwd, this is the home folder which I have, right? So /home / the username. You will have the different username in your case, right? And here there is a .bash rc file which we are going to add it. So to open the .bash rc file, just write open and then space and just write .bash rc here and then press enter, and it's going to open this file, and you will see some environment variables already set there, and then just go to the very bottom of this file, and here we are going to write export space path all in capital. So just write path here equals to $path colon and then the path of the binary where your JMeter binary are present. So your JMeter binary file will be there inside /opt/JMeter, and there is this .bin folder where your JMeter binary is there. So we are going to just add that path here. So just write /opt/JMeter/bin here, and once you are done, just save your file. To save the file, just press Control S here, or you can click on this menu item and then save it from here, and then close this file, and then press Control C here to get out of your text editor. And once that's done, to reload your profile, you can just give this command, which is source space dot bash rc file, right? So this will reload your profile. Let me give this command, and this command you need to give in your home folder, right? So once everything is done, we are ready to start the JMeter using the JMeter command. So for that, let me clear the terminal now and then just write JMeter here and then press enter, which is going to launch JMeter application on your Ubuntu operating system. You can see the JMeter is being launched, and let me minimize everything else here, and you can see JMeter is now being launched. So let me maximize this. You will have the sample test plan here, and now you can write more test plans under this. Now let's write a very simple test plan here. I'm going to write a test plan for let's say a REST application which is available online. So I'm going to right click here and then select add and then select threads, and then I'm going to select a new thread group here, and you can see the thread properties, and here you can see the number of thread is 1 by default, ramp up period is 1 second, and also loop count is 1. So for now I'm going to just leave them as default, and then right click on the thread group and then select add and then select sampler and then select HTTP request here, and here you can add your HTTP request, right? So I'm going to go to my browser, and there is this website which is called recres.in, where you can find the sample REST request to test with. So here is the request. We are going to use this very simple get API to get the list of users, right? So just copy this URL, which is recres.in, and let's go to our JMeter application. So the protocol is HTTP, and the server name is this one, which is recres.in. So just remove everything from here and just leave recres.in here, and then port number, leave everything as default. We are going to use the get request, right? and then we need to add the path. The path here will be this one, which is /API/users, and let's add here the path. You can also add an optional parameter, for example, page number. So let's add this. So I'm going to use this page is equal to 2 as the parameter as given here. So let's go to the JMeter application to add a parameter. Just select parameter here and then click on add. And then here just write the parameter name, which is page in our case, and the value is 1, for example. Instead of for 2, I'm using the 1 here, right? You can also add the header to your HTTP request if you have some authentication, or if you are using some custom headers, then right click on the HTTP request and then select add and then select add element, and then you can select this one, which is HTTP header manager, and you can add the HTTP headers. But for now, I'm going to leave everything as default. I'm not going to add any header, but this is the option for that, right? Now you can add the listener for your HTTP request. So right click here once again, and then click on add, and then click on listener here, and you have all these listeners here. I'm going to select the view result tree, and this listener will be added, and here you can see the result for your application. So once we are done, we can click on this start button, and it's going to run our test, and you can see the result here. So we have sent this HTTP request, and the request was this one. Here you can see the sample result, and then you can also see the request and the response. So the response is this one, and the sampler result, you can see the latency, you can see the connect time and load time and all these metrics from here. So this is how you can write a test plan for your load test. I can also add one more listener here. For example, I want to see the summary. So I can add this summary report from here, and then once again run my test, and you will see the summary of your test here. So the average time, minimum, maximum time, standard deviation, and other things you can see here. So this is how you can install and set up JMeter on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.